I'm learning most of the things after watching your video.
No, expand your territory. I'm not saying that to don't stick to my videos. I wanted to explore your world, right? Right? Because every YouTuber has something different, right? So try to watch each and every one videos, and learning has power, right? So wherever you are getting a kind of a knowledge, just grab it. Just try to fill your pouch with the knowledge, because learning has a resource. Learning has necessary resource to desire your to build up your confidence, right? And help you to do in a productive way.
First, before start our conversation, thank you very much for sharing your screen with your old student
No
uh,
one.
uh, who
No.
is not in English, and I'm speaking today because of you.
No.
And I feel nervous today, quite nervous, because uh, you are one of my favorite teacher, and I don't have any word to express my views.
No need to say it anything for me. Try to pull yourself together first of all. You are like the way you are saying it, it's really, I feel very honored. It's pleasure is mine. First of all, you are a true learner, right? I'm no one, right? I'm no one. The all efforts is from your side. I'm nothing. I just support you. Only the thing is that if you will not put your hard work, then how can you be a person like you right now? You are a true learner, right? And motivation for me, right? Who empower me, who always ready to support me in every walk of my life. Never ever let me down. Always ready. When madam is need my support, I need to be stand up. You are a person like that. You are a true learner, true friend. I feel in tune with you. I feel like we are soulmate.
Correct, ma'am. And I'm happy, and I have so many questions. Today I'm prepared for having conversation with you. I scrolling on my mobile, so I read one quote there related to twins baby. So can I
Mm-hmm.
ask one question
Yeah,
only? Question.
sure, sure.
Twins born together and friend forever. So it's
Ah,
really what
yes, it
it
is.
is.
It indeed, indeed. Friends forever, right? Let me just give you one example here. I have a twin baby. One is a baby boy and another is a baby girl. And both are 8 years, right? They fight a lot at home, right? And they always nag me, always nag me. But when it's come to, show their unity, they become one.
Okay.
Yes, nobody has that much dare to touch my son because my daughter is always there for him. Always. How dare you to touch my brother? The kind of a question she asked to everyone. You know what happened? One day my son came to me. I said, "Where is your sharpener? Thanush, where is your sharpener?" My son, "Mama, I gave to my friend and he didn't give me." I said, "Why did you not ask him?" Mama, and he started crying. He's a very emotional. My son is very emotional. He started crying. And I instruct my daughter, "Doll, this is your duty. Whenever you are going to school, you will go and you will ask the sharpener, right? You will not, Kana is not, Thanush will not interfere in this." She said, "Okay, mama." And what happened? When she went to the school, she asked that boy and asked, "Where is the sharpener? Why did you take the sharpener from my son? How dare you to take the sharpener? Give it back." And that boy was saying, "I don't have, I don't have, I don't have." And my son was saying, "Tharakshi, here is my sharpener." I said, "From where did you get it?" It was in my bag. And my daughter, I said, "Daughter, ma'am, daughter ko bola, oh my God, you scolded him badly, na?" "Oh, mama, let it be, na. Let him know who am I." Oh my goodness, we are united now. We are twins, brother, sister. So we have to show our unity. So we, at home, they always fight. When they go outside, na, they become one. They show their
Okay.
unity.
So it means I read that correct quote there. And my another question is, ma'am, whenever I correct people, so my big problem is question asking. So
Uh-huh.
body, eye contact also
Uh-huh.
equally important during
Mm-hmm.
asking
Yes, yes.
questions.
Yes, body language, I maintaining eye contact, it's a part of communication skill. But we are a human being. We can't maintain eye contact always all the time. Right? Whenever you feel stuck and whenever you are feeling like I'm feeling very weird, you can move your eyes and ball here and there. That much privilege we have, right? We have that much right that we can move here and there. Or sometimes you can look at here, that vermilion, that bindi. Vermilion, that bindi, you can look at the bindi like you are using that bindi, or you can look at on forehead.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the
Because
the hmm,
someone
yes.
asks question, so I try to give answer. But I'm again stuck when I ask question. So I already thought that whenever I connect with you, so I am asking definitely that question. And
Mhm.
ma'am, yes or no question important or long question important during the conversation, and topic is important. What is important according to you?
It totally depend on the person who's sitting in front of you. If that person is flexible for the topic, then you can go with the topic, because sometimes people are not flexible for the topic, right? We need to create the conducive environment for him or her. That's very important. Try to judge his idea, or you can ask him, what do you want? I mean, you would like to go with the random question or topic, right? And make yourself flexible enough. Make yourself flexible enough to mold your personality according to the person.
Okay.
Doesn't matter topic hai ya random question, doesn't matter. What matter is conducive environment, healthy conversation, and actively participation is important.
Okay. So yeah, ma'am, I'm geared up for giving all your questions answer.
No,
I'm
anything.
ready.
No, we will go with the general question. No question answer session. It's just that you just say something, I'll say something, then we will make a mix paratha of it. We'll make a mix pickle of it, and then we will serve it to the viewers.
Yeah, vegetable also. Okay.
If I talk about Neetu, earlier Neetu, now Neetus, right? What is the difference? What is the difference in Neetus? The earlier Neetu and right now Neetu.
You know, ma'am, one major difference you also notice right
Mm-hmm.
now. I have no need to explain, but you ask question, and I promise to you, I give your question answer. So I definitely I will give this question answer, and I'm very happy you asked this question to me, because ma'am earlier I'm hesitate when people speak in English, so um, I not sit there. I
Mm-hmm.
avoid person company, but nowadays I try to indulge in their
Mm-hmm.
and my family member. So
Mm-hmm.
I give answer in English, and I
Mm-hmm.
understand all the things. And
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I'm talk in English with my principal ma'am, with my senior, who they are very good in English. So
Mm-hmm.
it's big difference when people talk in English. So I don't listen that people conversation, those people conversation. I not giving answer. But nowadays I'm not able to give reply in English, so I try to give answer in Hindi. But nowadays I'm using lots of new word, new fancy word, and no matter wrong or right, but I'm trying to giving my opinion.
This is the right approach. I usually say to my my viewers, right? Always invest yourself for the right approach. Once you invest yourself with the wrong approach, it takes year to get back together, right? So the best teacher is time. Let time to decide it, because time will filters all extras, right? All you need to put your efforts. If you are committing the mistake, doesn't matter. You are privileged to make the mistake, so don't worry about it, right? What is most important, that you need to rectify it. If you are committing the mistake, rectify it, right? And then you are good to go. After, not, I will not go far away, after 2 years, after 2 years, what kind of a Neetu you want?
Okay, ma'am. I'm not confident. Even I am much confidence. I am more fluent, and my accent also good. And my speaking part is very, very good.
Uh-huh.
I see myself, and I perform a very big stage. and
Uh-huh.
speaking fully in English. I deliver my opinion fully in English. My accent is also good, and my confidence is also, in high pitch.
Oh, wow. Great, great. Something you have already set for yourself, right? And I
Yes,
wish. Mm-hmm.
because I do hard work daily, so
Mm-hmm.
I believe in myself, and yeah, definitely I will achieve my goal.